In this video, I want to teach you a mindset shift, and it's a way of thinking that can totally transform every area of your life for the better. It's a very simple thing that you can do, but it's amazing and it's awesome. And the mindset, or the habit, if you will, is to think about adding value. Focus a majority of your time and your energy adding value, practicing skills that add value, creating things that add value, thinking about things that are valuable, discovering things that are valuable and that add value, and expressing ideas that are valuable and that create value, not only in your life, but the life of others. Add value. And how do you do this? Well, you simply need to be aware and regularly ask yourself, somewhere in the back of your mind, ask yourself this question: is the thing that I'm doing or about to do something that adds value to my life or the life of others? And then if the answer is yes, then come up with a reason why that's true, so you can prove that it is adding value. And if the answer is no, sometimes it is. Sometimes not everything that you do needs to add value specifically. But if the answer is no, then you have to ask yourself, is it worth doing anyway? So what this will do when you ask these questions is that it will keep you focused on making sure that your actions are adding value to your life and to the life of others on a regular and consistent basis. And how do you practice this in the real world? Very simply, offer your time in a way that adds value to other people. Offer your knowledge in a way that adds value to other people. That's exactly what I'm doing by creating this video, is I have knowledge about this idea and I'm sharing it. So I'm adding value to your life. And the beauty of this is that as I talk and as I teach and as I share this idea is being planted deeper into my brain at the same time. So we're both benefiting. Another thing that you can do is create things that make people's lives better. Whatever that may be. It may be a digital thing, it may be a video, it may be a book, it may be a product. Think about how you can use your knowledge and your skills to create something that adds value and makes other people's lives better. Say things that inspire people, that are positive and helpful, that add value. And finally, think about how you can do things that add value to your life. It's important to add value to others, but you need to be concerned also about how you can add value to your own life through growing and learning things that are important, that are positive, that are useful. So what are the benefits of having this mindset and developing this, what I call Keystone habit or Keystone mindset? Well, your thinking will become focused on what's positive and good. That's amazing. That's awesome. You're going to feel better knowing that you're using your life in a meaningful way that's not only improving who you are, but also improving the people's lives around you. Again, amazing and awesome. You're going to be more productive because value is all about being productive and adding value. You're going to make better decisions focused on whether or not this is adding value, as opposed to just giving in to doing something and making a decision because it feels good. That can be a big shift in your thinking, but when you apply it, when you think, is this decision adding value to my life or the life of others, it's going to change and make your decision making better. You also develop your skills and talents because you want to get better. You want to become more awesome than you already are. So a lot of great benefits that come from adopting this mindset. Now let's look at a challenge that comes with this. And you might think, well, why is there a challenge? This sounds pretty great, a pretty nice mindset to adopt. Well, the challenge is that we live in a world that is obsessed really about consuming value, not adding value. And so we're even labeled as consumers because that's what the world is focused on. Getting more, taking in more, watching more, consuming more. And it's not really focused on this idea of adding value. And it's important to realize that consuming and enjoying valuable things is important. We love doing that. But adding value is monumental. That's where you want to spend a majority of your time, less time consuming, more time creating and adding value. If you do this, you're going to see major transformations in your life.